Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem maximize distance to closest person. So you are given an array representing a row of seats where seats of I is equals to 1 represent a person sitting in the ith seat, and seats of I is equals to 0 represent that the ith seat is empty and seats are 0 index ways. So there is at least one empty seats and at least one person sitting. Alex wants to sit the seat such that the distance between him and the closest person to him is maximized. So what does it mean? Now in this example there are 7 seats and 4 seat is empty. So Alex can sit one of the 4, but let's say if Alex sit on the seat number 1, the distance from the closest person is 1, the 0th one. If Alex sits on the seat number 2, then distance from the closest person at 0, which is 2, and also as from the 4, which is also 2. So the 2 is from here. Now so far we got the maximum 2. Now see, if Alex sits on seat number 3, then this one is closest, so the 1. So 2 is max, so we can't take it. Similarly, if Alex sits on seat number 5, then the distance between the closest person of 4 or 6 is 1. So overall maximum we can get by this arrangement, and Alex can sit on the seat number 2, which is 2, and 2 is the our answer. So let's understand other cases. Like there are 3 cases in this problem, like seats empty from the starting till we found the first person, or seats empty between the two persons, like this seat and this seat. So if let's say first understand this seats, like seats between the two persons. So we have 3 persons. So now Alex can sit over here. If Alex sit over here, then the distance, maximum distance from this closest person is 1. So the best possible position where empty place is this. Alex will sit over here. So this will be calculated like 3 y2, which is 1. Then we need to add plus 1. So let's say if there are 4 empty places between two persons. So this is 1 is represent the person sitting, 0 is empty, 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 1. So now Alex can sit over here. If he sits over here, then distance from this person leftmost one is 2 and distance from the rightmost is 3. So but the minimum we will take the closest one, which is 2, and from if Alex sits over here, then the 2 from here and 3 from here, but the maximum from the closest will be this one, so which is 2. So how can we say that if there are k zeros, consecutive zeros in between two persons, like this place, if there are k, then the distance from that k is k plus 1 by 2. So this is the way, like if 3, then 3 plus 1 by 2 by 2, which is 2. If it is 1, then 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 1. So at this place we have distance 1, at this place we have distance 2. But if you see the starting 3 empty seats, the Alex can sit over here. If Alex sits over here, then this distance from the closest person is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. So overall maximum from this example, we can say that Alex will sit over here and maximize the distance is max 3. So another case is like the empty seats are in the end as well, and in the starting and the center one. So over here its distance is 1, over here distance is 2, over here distance is 3. So the overall maximum is this 3. 3 is the answer. So now pause the video. There are 3 cases. Solve this all 3 cases one by one, like iterate your array. First get the initials trailing empty seats and get the and one empty seat, and get the maximum consecutive zeros in the center surrounded between two sitting persons. So let's start thinking how we will solve more optimally in one pass itself. So what we will do, we will start a pointer from L is equals to -1 and iterate the array of from I equals to 0. If it is empty, we will keep continue move right. Once we reach, whenever we reach at the place where person is sitting, so now this is the place we need to decide the. So if it is the starting case where L is -1, in that case the distance will be the I itself, I. So I over here is 2, so this will be 2. Next we will update this L to this place, because now the left of the rightmost empty seat will be the closest sitting person will be this place index L equals to become I, which is 2. Now for this is not 1, so we will keep move ahead. I will reach over here, that is I equals to 4. Once I reach over here, so this is, now we know this is not a starting cell or not the end cell. This cell is surrounded between two persons, so the distance provided by this will be I minus L by 2, which will become 4 minus 2 by 2, which is 1. So as we already earlier as well say, if one seat, this is a distance closer, maximum distance is 1 if Lx sits over here. So now so far we found the 2 from the starting, 1 from here, so the maximum is still 2. We will take the maximum. Now we will keep continuing it and we will exit it. Now in the end we need to also check if there is no person on the rightmost seat. If no one is sitting, then this we need to consider again this index, which will be the value of this place. So this will be index n minus 1 and minus the L. So this will become n of this row 3. So 3, 6 and 8, 8 minus 1 minus, and the last L will be at 4. So this will become 4. So hence it is 3. So now so far we found 2 in starting, 1 in center and 3 is means, so overall maximum is 3. So 3 will be the answer. So this is the approach. So if you got the algorithm, pause the video and code it yourself. So let's quickly jump on the code. So the for coding part, let's L defined from -1, n is the seats dot length, and let's also define the result that we will keep as a maximum, or let's take it as a max distance from the initialize from the 0. So now we will iterate all the numbers from int I is equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus. Now we will first check if seats of I is 1, then only we will do these things. If it is 0, we will keep continuing it. So and now we will check first case if the L is -1, like starting zeros. So in that case we just take the max dist is the math dot max, or we just can take I, which is the I. Now in other cases like else, we will take the max dist as the math dot max of max dist found so far itself, or the I minus L by 2, that's it. And we will for every case we will update our L by the new pointer, the sitting person at the I index by the I. So this we will try, and in the end we will check the last case where seats of n minus 1 is equals to 0. In that case we need to take max dist is equal to math dot max again from the max dist, and the len, which is n minus 1, the index of the last sitting person, and the last L where the last closest person from the end. So this is, so in the end we will return the max dist. So that's the implementation. So let's compile the code and see if it is working. So it is working for the one test case. Let's try to test other custom test cases. So as discussed, 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 1, let's say boundary, let's try all boundary cases, 1 0 0 0 and 1 0 and 0 1, and let's take the 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. So I think that will cover most of the corners. Let's try to compile our this, run again this. If all the test is passing, now we are confident enough, we can submit this solution and wait for the accept. So it's got accepted. So now what is the time complexity of this solution? So the, as you can see, we are just iterating all the element once. So it is if n element, so O of n, and the space complexity we are using just these three constants. So it is constants O of 1. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and share the video in your friend circles. That will help to everyone to learn something. Thanks for watching.